Yo, what is up, you guys? It is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video, man. What is going on with y'all today? It is early this morning. I still got the Dewey on. No telling exactly what time it is. I haven't even checked my clock, bro. I literally just went over, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and picked up the camera. This is a lifestyle. You gotta want this, boy. You guys, I was looking through some of my old sneakers, like in my old little box I had, and I found these Kyrie ones. As y'all can see, they beat the hell up a lot, but I remember these. This is the shoe I broke my foot in. A lot of you don't know I played college basketball, and I broke my foot, and then it abruptly stopped. But this was the shoe I was playing in. And there's no disrespect to Kyrie ones because I still hoop in Kyrie ones to this day. I just think it was more a scary coincidence than just this shoe because I hoop in Kyrie ones only, actually. This is like the only shoe I hoop in because it's like the best. And I really like that grip right there all the way on the midsole. But yeah, man, it's the shoe I broke my foot in. And when I was going through the boxes and I was just looking around, I found a bunch of old shoes that I don't need no more that I'm probably going to give away soon. But this one just stuck out to me. You know, I might glass case this because if it wasn't for this shoe right here, I doubt I would be doing YouTube because I'll probably still be playing ball, still chasing that hoop dream that I wanted so badly. First thing first, I need to find a barber, bro, because my barber got into a car accident, and as y'all can see, I look kind of rough right now. I even got the new growth growing up under that neck, that nasty neck hair. That got to be going ASAP. On top of that, I just got a chair and a laundry bag full of dirty clothes, so I definitely got to tend to that today for sure. Honestly, guys, there's no telling what the hell gonna happen today. I don't even know what's gonna happen today, so you guys just need to sit back, relax, and just enjoy the video, man. Let me know if you Snipe Squad down below in the comment section. Let's do it. Perfect.
Boss bitches know I got the bill. Hey, bitches and they want the real thing. I don't wanna do it if it's not the real thing. She don't wanna do it if you ain't got the bill paid. All my boss bitches know I got the bill. Hey.
So right now I am outside Planet Fitness right now. It is approximately 1:25. Bruh, honestly, my legs just dead. I'm tired as hell. I gotta fight through it, man. I gotta find some way to push through. I've been trying to get back right, though, for a while, man. So, I gotta do what I gotta do. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to bring the camera inside, especially not this big old camera. It's way too big. And I think they got, like, some no filming rules in there. Planet Fitness is weird, bro. You can't do a lot of stuff in there. But, yeah, man, I'm about to go in here, knock out this workout, get back with y'all soon, bro. So, until then, I'll see y'all.
6.5 hours later.
Bruh, have you ever worked out in your abs so much you can't even laugh, cuz? I am in like the worst pain ever. But anyways, I'm starving, so I just pulled up to one of my favorite restaurants to get some food, which is Kiku's. It's kind of like Benihana's. I don't know if y'all ever had it, but it's like Benihana. It's all that hibachi rice. Your boy like that steak and chicken with the broccoli on the side, you feel me? So I'm about to go in here and get some eats real quick, man. I'm starving. Not even gonna lie though, it's like in store, that chicken and steak is 19 bucks. But when you leaving for takeout, it's only 12. So you know what I'm saying? I'm a good old finesse team. All this food, only $12 plus tax. Came out of like what, 13 or something. Still not too bad though. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Kiku's, boy. Back at the crib, as y'all can see, man, I had to get a fresh cut. Now I told y'all my barber got into a car accident, but luckily my homeboy came back in town, man, and he cut me up. But before this video go off, I know it was a short video, nothing too much went on today. It was a pair of shoes I got not too long ago off eBay, which is these LeBron 7s. And I don't know if you can see from here, but they beat the hell up. They got scuffs all on them. They lied and told me that the shoe was like damn near DS. And basically, I did a video on this like a while back when I first started my channel. I was basically upset because I feel like I got finessed. And I never, ever, like, you know, returned the shoe and got my money back. Because, of course, anytime you buy anything from eBay, you always protected by PayPal. So I never went back and I never got my damn money. So I was going through all my sneakers, like I showed y'all, my Kyries. I ran through these, and I'm like, man, you know, these is crazy. I wish I had these looking brand spanking new. So, which made me say, if you haven't watched my one video about my boy A, man, he's great at doing these customs. He also has his own thrift store called Soul Original. Follow him on Instagram at Soul Original. I'm thinking about going and get these to him, man. See if he can do these over, because the other shoes right here too, it's just, they're beat, bro. But I love LeBron's. I think LeBron's one of the most slept on sneakers in the entire sneaker community, bro. I know a lot of LeBron shoes have been like performance shoes, like the 13s, 14s, and the Soldiers and stuff like that. You really can't rock them. But LeBron's like these, the 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, even some of the 11s in the earlier shoes, the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, you see the retroing. LeBron's has been one of my favorite shoes for a long time too. So I'm kind of happy I ain't sending these back to eBay, bro, because I need these to get right. You know, a lot of people still don't have these LeBron 7s, and they damn sure not good, what you call it? God damn. They're not in good shape, man. They beat up like these are. But I got faith in my boy A Boogie. He gonna get me right with these, man. He gonna get me back to where they need to be. And I'm excited because it's about to be summertime. And bringing these out in summertime probably gonna turn some heads because people haven't seen these in a while. Now, if you guys watch one of my most recent videos, I recently did a reaction video. Like I said in that reaction video, I'm very excited to bring reactions to the channel because I really felt like, I like doing reaction videos. It's fun to me. I just want to know how you guys feel about it down below in the comment section. And if you would please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because you can tweet me videos that you want me to react to. Especially if it's something that you want to see me react to, man, just tweet it to me. Tweet me the name. I can go find it on my own and I can do it. Because at the end of the day, I make videos for you guys to be able to like and be able to, you know, talk about down below. So funny videos, comedy videos, I don't care. Sneaker videos, it can be whatever, man. Just let me know down below and I'll get straight to it. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for stepping in once again with your boy Sniper Jones. I will check in back with y'all next time. I'm on this grind trying to make as much daily content as I possibly can. It's a little bit challenging, but I feel like I can do it from the support of my Snipe Squad who always rock with me down below in the comment section, man. Make sure y'all tune in next video. Gang, gang.